Experiencing sluggish performance after a Windows 11 or 10 update? No worries. In this straightforward tutorial, I will walk you through simple steps to identify and fix common issues that may be slowing down your PC. Discover easy solutions to optimize your system speed and get back to a smooth computing experience. Watch now and revitalize your Windows 11 or 10 PC effortlessly. To fix low PC performance after an update in Windows 11 or 10, Step 1. Restart your computer to ensure all updates are fully applied. Step 2. Check for additional updates in settings, then update and security. Step 3. Update device drivers through Device Manager or use third-party tools. Step 4. Disable startup programs using Task Manager to improve boot time. Step 5. Perform a full antivirus malware scan to rule out security issues. Step 6. Adjust visual effects for better performance in system properties. Step 7. Use the built-in disk cleanup tool to remove unnecessary files. Step 8. Increase virtual memory allocation if you are encountering low memory. Step 9. Consider rolling back the recent update if issue persists. Step 10. Seek further assistance or explore advanced troubleshooting if needed.